Good morning, folks. It is an early morning and we are up before the sun. It's 5:10. We're on the road already. We are headed home in the truck. We are headed home to some nasty cold weather. And actually, it says Sunday. Now, this always changes. 5 to 8 inches of snow. Are you kidding me? And of course, I have a dental appointment on Monday morning. So 5 to 8 inches of snow, I don't know if I'll be able to even get out. But isn't that insane? So, I don't know. It's just crazy to me. But it is what it is. And I'm kind of excited that we're going home to be at the house and watch it if there's a lot of snow like that. But 5 to 8 inches?
I have one thing to add to it all.
What?
I got Georgia on my mind.
Georgia on my mind, yes. And here it's supposed to get cold. It's supposed to be like maybe 47 and that. It's beautiful out right now. It's 64 degrees. And I'm sad that we're going home when it's going to be a little cooler here. But it's supposed to still be cool next week, like Tuesday night, 48. And it's just about enough coolness in a trailer that you want to get. Because 48 outside is probably about 55 inside. But we're all set and we're
The trailer
headed
has
home.
heat.
Well,
You
right,
don't
the
have to
trailer
worry
has
about
heat.
anything.
I know, but you know, just as far as sleeping and you know, I love it like that.
When it's cold, I sleep better.
Yeah, and sometimes I just throw our heated throw on. So that's all that's going on here for right now. We're gonna head up the turnpike, and that's it. Well, hello there. It is 9:14. We are in northern Florida. And I always love it when you pull into a rest area and there's a sign that says, "Warning, beware of venomous snakes." I don't know if I can
Flip
say
the
it.
screen.
Easier said than done.
All you gotta do is push the button.
There is no button when you're videoing.
Oh.
Beware of venomous snakes. So watch your step. Here we are, approaching our favorite Buc-ee's in Warner Robins. Not many RVs. Well, folks, it is Saturday, January 15th, and we are sitting in front of the fire. Today is supposed to be, or tonight, well, first of all, the Buffalo Bills are playing tonight at 8 o'clock in Buffalo for a playoff game. We are supposed to start having our bad weather come in, and it is supposed to be bad. I mean, widespread power outages, ice, snow. They are predicting at least 10 inches of snow here, if not more. So we're sitting in the bedroom. We have our windows open.
Hello.
Good morning, Ken.
Good morning.
And it looks nice out now. I mean, there's really not a cloud in the sky. The sun is just starting to come up.
Trees aren't even moving.
Yeah, but like they said, 30-mile-an-hour winds and gusts up to 40 and 50, and Not looking forward to it, but I'm glad we're home to take care of anything that might go awry. Well, hello there. It is Saturday and we are ready for our big blizzard. Ken was outside cooking burgers. He had to come in and warm up by the fire.
My hands are freezing.
It's like
39 degrees outside. I just checked.
39. We're doing stuff early before the precipitation comes in. We have, let's see, Weather Channel going on in the background, the fire going. We've been taking care of business this morning, and that's about it.
I'm on my second or third cup of coffee.
Coffee. This morning, I have water all around the house because if we lose power, we lose water. They said widespread power outages.
We're prepared except for a generator.
Yeah, that's about it. But we'll keep you posted. No precipitation as of yet, but it does look,
The temperature's dropped. It was 41 when I went out.
it's a little gloomy out. So, yeah. Well, it's 8:07 and we're getting ready for an 8:15 kickoff. The Bills versus the Patriots for the wild card. We really haven't gotten any weather yet, thank God. It is cold out though, and a little bit windy, and no snow as yet, but they say it's coming, so. All right, go Bills. Well, the Bills won, yay. It's starting to snow. It is about 11:15 on Saturday, so you can see it in the light. Just some flakes coming down. I'm sure tomorrow morning we'll have a lot more to report. So it's 4:30 in the morning. I feel like it's Christmas morning. I'm walking out to put lights on. And, oh, it's awfully white out. Oh, holy crap. A lot of snow. And it's still coming down. Oh, going all the way in here to the door. It's pretty, but as I stand here with the door open, I feel snow on my feet. This is what we would call a blizzard in Buffalo. Okay, now I'm gonna open the front. Oh, those trees are really heavy. We're waiting now. Very windy out. This is scary. This is semi not good. Well, it's now 6 o'clock. And it is crazy blowing. But now, I want to say maybe it's changed to some rain. That's what they were saying. Might have to open the door. I have to put Crocs on them. The snow is totally on my patio. I'm waiting for it to get light out. Those poor trees. They are really heavy with snow. Well, it is 12:33 and I actually went out earlier and brushed off as much as I could, jumping up and down with a broom to bend the trees back up. And it has started to snow again. I also, and it's hard to believe, but I did shovel the deck because the snow was so heavy. But now it has all gone back on the deck, and it was kind of like a little rainy. You can see the little pebbles. The gutters are dripping. It's a mess out there. It's pretty, but it's a mess. It's cold, it's windy. We have no phones. We have no internet. We have no cell phone service. So we plugged in a little phone that we used to use. I'm doing taxes here. Ken is researching stuff, looking for a detail. We just got the fire on low, just trying to keep the temperature up a little bit. I don't know. This is a grim situation here. Just taking a walk to the street. It is absolutely gorgeous out. We have some trees that are having issues, but nothing that a little muscle can't fix. It looks like, oh, some people have tried to go up and down the street. But that's not something that we are going to try. So funny, I just got an alert. It says snow will begin around 2:59. I think I'm getting some sort of cell service back. Oh, there's a tree of ours. Bent over the highway. Well, it is, I don't even know what time it is.
8:45.
8:45. And the estimated 2:30 time for the electric to come back on did not happen today. So we were sitting in front of the fire here in the bedroom and we're getting into a freezing cold bed. No heat on in the house.
30 degrees outside.
Yeah.
Going down to 27.
Yeah. Ton of snow.
But we're alive and well.
Yeah. And knock on wood, we only had a couple little trees that were bent and one fell down, and it's not a big deal.
Yes,
No structural damage.
Let me just make sure it's you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it is.
So we're gonna try to get sleep. I mean, I've been up since 4:30, so I am hoping to have a good night's sleep. And I'm going to bed praying the rosary that our power comes back on.
Mm-hmm.
And I am missing football games too. So, and we don't have any internet or cell service.
Or
which is,
telephones or anything else.
no cell service, so that, I mean, if I go outside in the garage, outside on the driveway on the overhang, I got a little bit of LTE.
Just for texting.
1 bar to call people. I don't even think text went through.
Really? Texts usually go through first.
Oh my God, honey, your beard is like so white. I don't know if it's the angle of the light.
No, the light's over here.
Yeah. So, that's it. I mean, I'm just like, ugh. I finished a book. It was a Danielle Steele book. It was very good. It's called Complications. And,
Complications. I wonder what those are.
But, I mean, we have an opportunity to head out because we've got nothing to do here, but we can't get out of the drive and up the street. So
nothing's been plowed. And
nothing's plowed.
About 5 inches of snow.
I think it was more than that, to be honest.
Maybe a little more. It's pretty deep.
But I am sleeping with my cozy on and under a ton of blankets. Oh, Lord.
Say goodnight.
I don't think, well, obviously I'm not going to my 8 o'clock dental appointment tomorrow morning. I did call and leave him a voicemail. She was going to call me Sunday night if they weren't going to open the office, but she very well could have, but we have no service, so I don't think they'll be open.
I doubt it.
But they might have power, who knows.
Mm-hmm.
And but like black ice and that too, they're talking about. Well, it doesn't matter. Like some cars or trucks went up the road and rutted it, and then it started to, like, it was slush. Then it got cold, so it's gonna be ice. So there ain't no going up the road at 8 o'clock in the dark. So I'm gonna try to sleep in, and I don't know.
We won't even have coffee.
I know. I'll have to get up and get hot water going on the grill, and then do a French press coffee. Or I still have some in my cup.
Let's just heat up our. Don't we have a thermos full of coffee?
No, we drank that.
We drank it all. Oh,
I had 3 cups today.
I had 2.5.
There might be a little left. There's a little left in your thing.
Okay.
So.
Well, whatever. We'll work it out.
Yep. All right. That's it for the night.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah. Hopefully not like this. Well, good morning. No power. No cell service. I'm outside, basically in my jammies, and I am making coffee on the grill. We had some left from the thermos, so it's cold. It was 52 degrees inside the bedroom. I suppose if I put a cover on that, it would work better. But it is a gorgeous morning. The sun is going to be coming up, and it's going to be a mess when all this stuff starts melting. But as you can see, top of the trees are glistening from the ice. It's so pretty. It's a little windy and cold. This is the look of aggravation. No power still. It's cold in the house. It's 52. We're bundled up inside. There's no cell service still. Limited if I go outside. I hear people have generators running, but generators wouldn't even power heat. The other thing is we can't even get out. So that's another thing. So that's the status. It's Monday morning. I don't even know what time it is. 9:30 maybe. The other issue is now it's freaking windy. Ugh. House. My look, a tree is falling on me. Windy, it's blowing all the snow. And you can hear it like crackling. You can see how fast the clouds are moving. Okay, we're going. We're in four-wheel drive. We're trying to make it up the hill. Don't leave.
Is anybody coming up the hill
Still,
or down the hill?
Still.
Some lady went sliding down the hill. No?
no, you're good. Go.
Good? Go.
Yep. Yeah, try to get in where he followed the road. And give it the gas and then don't stop. Nobody's coming
Watch
my
that.
way.
Watch that way. Can't believe we got cell service all of a sudden.
Yeah, all of a sudden it was 5G, but I couldn't make a call.
Let's see when we get down
Yeah. And we're off. It's 1:14. Headed back to the warmth. It isn't too bad. They did scrape Bear Gap, they had said. So you can stay over where it's clear, babe.
Oh, yeah, but it's the edge.
This is where you gotta be careful.
Yeah, I know. We'll drive.
It's like all ice. I know, but nothing works on ice.
I know.
Can you slow down just a
I
little?
can, but you don't hit the brakes in the ice. I learned that up north.
Okay.
Just steer. Deer. Remember I slid out in the freaking parking lot in
Yeah, I
Kmart?
do remember
Donald's car of all
that. It's
places.
clear here. It is beautiful though. Looking through the lens. We made it to the rest area. Well, we are back to our second home and it is lovely out. You can see the blue sky. It was 46 this morning, but it warmed up nicely in the 60s. We both showered. We're having a little lunch. It is just, very nice.
Heavenly.
It's heavenly. We got here about 12:30 last night, and by the time we got to bed, it was about 1:30. Got up at 7:30. Cheryl woke us up, and Ken's been just tidying up some work stuff. I got our outside patio set back up, and just have been like organizing stuff. We did find the halos that we couldn't find, which was our chargers. So we're all excited to be back in business.
Eating lunch.
Eating lunch. Well, folks, thanks for watching. I know that was a year ago that video was filmed, but I did want to post it so we would have it on file. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, click that like button, and subscribe. And then ring that bell and you'll be notified of any other videos that we post. And happy traveling.